Hey everyone, welcome back to another error video. Many users reported that the controller simply doesn't work or most input are ignoring when trying to play EAFC25 on PC. The controller appears to be the unresponsive or only partially responsive in the certain menus like the main menus but doesn't function properly in the game. How to fix this problem? First, disabling Steam input. In Steam, right click on EAFC25 game, go to the properties and then controller settings. Now turn off Steam inputs. This step prevents Steam from the interfering with the game's native controller detection. Another recommended solution to the launch the game using Steam Big Picture mode. This can sometimes improve the game ability to recognize controllers because it puts Steam into a controller friendly interface. At the top right corner of Steam, click the big picture mode icon, a controller symbol seen. Once in big picture mode, navigate to your library and select EAFC25 game. Launch EAFC25 from within big picture mode. Now reconnect your controller after the game has fully loaded. After doing this, maybe your problem fixed. I hope this video is useful for you and try to fix EFC25 controller. If this video is useful, then like the video and subscribe to the channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.